Hello friends, for today's vlog I'm taking you with me on trip to Ontario. Let's get ready. Time check 3:42 a.m. (8:10 a.m.) finally here. Let's get something to eat. Yum! (1:57 p.m.) Let's go peach picking.
Ito yung puno ng peach. Maghanap lang tayo ng hinog na peach and then titikman natin if hinog na siya or hindi. Kapag maasim pa, it means hindi pa yan hinog. Ang daming nahuhulog na guys. Pipisilin muna natin. At hindi siya masyadong tignan natin.
Nice.
Time to get some rest. See you in day 2.